This one makeup technique can make your base look like this. Let me show you how. Hi guys, I'm Ritu and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. If you are into makeup, you've probably seen this new technique called underpainting but are confused about how and what to do. Be honest, have you saved those videos but you've never actually tried it? For me, underpainting is the perfect way to achieve a flawless base which looks skin-like while putting in minimal effort. So let me show you how you can master this technique with just a few steps. We begin with the primer. Choose a primer that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin like me, go in with the oil controlling primer, and if you have dry skin, then maybe you can use a illuminating one. Cream bronzer is like the foundation of this makeup look, therefore it is the most important step in this whole routine. We're going to apply cream bronzer on the usual places, on our forehead, on the cheekbones, little bit on the jaw, nose, and our eye socket, and bit on the lips. While blending, try to be neat but don't worry if you aren't. Do not panic if it looks intense. Just trust the process. Again, take a cream blush and apply it where you normally would. You can even use a bright shade that you normally wouldn't go for. You can go as heavy as you like. This is your permission to overdo a little with blush blindness. Take your concealer and apply it in the areas where you usually would. For me, it's the under eyes and the mouth. Here is where the technique really comes in and the magic happens. We are going to use foundation to blend all of this together. You could even use concealer if you want to finish faster. Begin by priming your brush with foundation and then go over the blank areas of your face. Then with whatever little is left on the brush, go over your blush so that it melts into your skin, and then start blending the edges of the bronzer. Now gently go on top of your bronzer. Use dabbing motions, do not drag. Now set your face like you normally would. Light powder if your skin is dry and set it properly if you have oily skin. And that's it. You should be left with a seamless blend of your base products without any patchiness. If you encounter blush lifting off your foundation or bronzer looking muddy on top of your foundation, this technique should solve it. Tell me in the comments what would you want me to recreate next. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to BeBeautiful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.